This is a Potter fire alarm control system. Potter fire controls are very similar between the AFC and the IPA lines. This one differs from some in that it is a voice evacuation system, as evidenced by the button panel and a microphone. Your system may not have it, those cutouts will not be there. The systems operate virtually identical otherwise. The keypads are also identical with the annunciators that you may have in your property in most cases. In operation, you normally have just a green power light. If the system detects a trouble of some kind, it can be a variety of troubles, the system will start beeping, the trouble light will flash. The beeping can be silenced by pressing the silence button. A supervisory is the system doing its job, letting you know that something needs attention. That can also be silenced with the silence button. It's important to note that pressing the reset button will not clear a supervisory or a trouble condition in most cases. If the alarm goes off, of course the red alarm light will light and the sounders will sound. Generally, the user is not to silence an alarm unless and until the cause has been identified. That's generally the job of the fire department, the responding authorities, unless there's a service technician on site. In which case, the silence button does silence the audibles, and the reset button may clear the system, may reset the cause of that alarm. It is important in any case of a false or nuisance alarm to identify the cause before you reset the system. You identify the cause generally by looking for a flashing or a red solid light on a detector or a module connected to your system.